Hi friends, this is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to use acrylic paint to make tattoos. Now, acrylic paint can easily be used on your skin. It's absolutely alright, and also you can just wipe it off, with a tissue, or just use plain water to just clean it up. It doesn't really leave any residue and is not really harmful to the skin. So I'm gonna use this to make Singapore National Day tattoos. Now, Singapore's National Day is on 9th of August, and we are gonna join the spirit. And for that, I decided to make the flag. So you see me here. This is a very popular tattoo. How I got the idea was because the shops were out of tattoos, and my kids really wanted it. So I decided, why not give this a try? So, as I have always said, all you need is your imagination, and sky is your limit. So, here you see me. All I had to do is make a red color heart and add the stars and the moon, and with white color. I also decided to, make the Merlion the best I could. Actually, I was kind of in a hurry, otherwise, I would have done a better job. But you get the gist. My main idea behind this video is that you can do a lot. I chose the occasion of Singapore's National Day. If it's birthday party, or if it is any other occasion that you want to just add some sort of a new activity, kids are gonna have so much fun. Here you see me making the bigger version of the first tattoo that I made earlier. I decided to show you this tattoo once again because this time, instead of the acrylic colors, you see me using watercolors. Now it works the same way. The only thing is the watercolor is not as thick in texture, and because of that, once I added white, it just mixed and got pink, as you can see. So I would really recommend, if you do end up doing this, making these tattoos, please use the acrylic colors rather than the watercolors. So please do share your comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Do like, share and subscribe. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.